In today's video, we will be talking about how to add search bar in Shopify. Now, to be able to add a search bar in Shopify, you will have to use the feature called apps. Since search bar is not a feature that is generally available right away in Shopify, so it's a feature that you're going to have to add through application. And you will be able to do this by clicking on apps over here on the left side and simply searching for search bar. Click on enter and we will be redirected to another page that handles all the different applications available in Shopify. We will be able to install different types of application through this app store, which will increase or add some features into your Shopify experience. But as you can see here, there are different results over here. So let's check out a few of them. For example, you have search sleeves over here, smart product filter and search, and AI search or product filter over here. You could use other types of application over here. Depends on your preference, of course. You are free to check them out all one by one. And most of them are free, of course, but some will be paid. Over here, let's see what search these can do for us. This specific app will allow us to have a smart and instant search bar, which will find matches across all in-store pages. It has voice search and personalized AI search for seamless user experience. It has unlimited out-of-the-box custom filters by default. There's configurable live search result and merchandise tools over here. That is the one for search these. Those are the different things that you will be able to do. And let's check out the other one. We have the version for smart product filter. For this specific application, this is free by the way, you will be able to have a smart filter app to custom filter for different collection. You have a limited filter menu by tag, powerful search and discovery solution, full text speech, auto suggestions and search redirects, smart search bar, which is basically instant search and zero character suggestions. Those are the different things that you will be able to have. And lastly, we have an example over here called AI search and product filter, which would allow us to search through collection page filter for each page, customize product recommendation, search analytics dashboard, context-based search with inbuilt spell check, autocomplete, or synonym modules, and lastly, rule-based merchandising and redirection to increase our sales. And those are the different types of application that you could install into your Shopify store so that you could add a search bar to your online store. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.